Turning right, going over the river. Thank you. Turning right, going over the river.
Thank you.
Turning right, going over the river. Turning right, going over the river.
We're doing the 10 mile one.
No, the back marker went through, arrived about an hour. He waited 20 minutes. I'm sorry, it's been de-signed. So
Well, if she wins.
10 kilometres.
You know what I
And he had shots in my car. And he pulled them on coat, like loads of them coat. Because he was like, it's off.
Turn right, go over the river, guys.
Thank you.
There are no arrows anymore, ladies.
Okay, we're going to do it independently. Where the little turns you're in.
Turn right, up and over the river. No, they came back to me and they've decided they're going to do it without the signage. So they're coming up behind you. But they're so far behind you. They're over half an hour behind you. I mean, they're 5 minutes behind you now. We waited here for 25 minutes. Right, they're not wearing long green dresses. They're wearing shiny emerald green jumpsuits and blue transparent ponchos, blue transparent ponchos. Okay, so there are 2 of them, both ladies, so they're 5 minutes behind you. No worries. Bye.
Gym in the basement.
Hi guys, turn right, go over the river.
Thank you.
Hi guys, turn right and go over the river. Yes, that's right. Thank you.